Respected faculty members, my dear students and others from different parts of the country, I will give you a brief introduction and outcomes of MICTAS 2020. Hello everyone, myself Shiv Kumar Upadhyay, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Science, Sri Vasne College, Aligarh, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. We are organizing an international conference virtual conference on modern instrumental and characterization techniques in applied sciences 2020, which is MICTAS 2020 on 5th to 6th July 2020. This international virtual conference is organized by MIET, Kumaon, Haldwani, Nainital, Uttarakhand, India, and Department of Chemistry, HNV PG College, Khatima, Uttarakhand, India, in collaboration with Uttarakhand Science Education and Research Center, USERC, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Uttarakhand. Before going ahead of this brief or introduction about this conference, I would like to request all of you, please subscribe on this link on channel and click on bell, so you will get all the notifications regarding this international event till 5th to 6th July on your email IDs. So please, you don't forget to join it and subscribe it. It is my special request to you, so that you can get all latest information regarding this. Now I will talk about the conference. MICTAS 2020 invites all the participants from all over world to attend 2 days international virtual conference on modern instrumental and characterization techniques in applied sciences 2020 during July 5th to 6th 2020 at e-platform. MICTAS 2020 aim to bring together national and international communities like students, scientists, engineers and stakeholders from academia, government laboratories, industries and other organizations working in the field of applied sciences and technology to discuss new and exciting advances in the field. MICTAS 2020 mainly focuses on novel approaches to analytical and bioanalytical methods and chromatographic techniques, environmental and analytical chemistry, and mass spectrometry, and some other advanced spectroscopic techniques. So conference highlights are mass spectrometry, Raman spectroscopy, FTIR, atomic spectroscopy, UV visible spectroscopy, luminescence spectroscopy, X-ray spectroscopy, energy dispersive EDS or EDX spectroscopy, time resolved, that is TR spectroscopy, and nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, that is NMR, and EPR spectroscopy and chromatography, HPLC also, high performance liquid chromatography, absorption spectrometry, and biomedical spectroscopy tools in nanotechnology and separation techniques and crystallographic techniques also, and many more. Our inspiration for this conference, this international conference, our patron in chief, Honorable Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji, Honorable Minister of Human Resource Development, Government of India, Honorable Dr. Dhan Singh Rawat ji, Honorable State Minister of Higher Education, Government of Uttarakhand, Honorable Dr. Bahadur Singh Bish ji, Vice Chairman, Higher Education Development Board, Uttarakhand, state minister level UK government. And our patrons of this international events are Engineer Vishnu Saran, Chairman MIET Group of Institution Haldwani Uttarakhand, Engineer Puneet Agrawal, Vice Chairman MIET Group Institution Haldwani Uttarakhand, Professor OPS Negi, Vice Chancellor Uttarakhand Open University Haldwani Uttarakhand, Dr. N.K. Joshi, Vice Chancellor Kumaयूं University Nainital Uttarakhand, Professor Durgesh Pantji, Director USARC DST Government of Uttarakhand, Dr. R.C. Purohit, Principal HNB Government PG College Khatima Uttarakhand, Dr. Chandram, Principal RH Government PG College Kasipur Uttarakhand, Dr. Pankaj Kumar Vasne, Principal Sri Vasne College Aligarh UP India, Professor D.D. Pathak, Department of Applied Chemistry IIT Dhanbad Jharkhand, Dr. K.V.R. Cherry, Emeritus Scientist, Catalyst Division CSIR IICT Hyderabad India, and Professor M. Lakshmi Kantam, DC Institute of Chemical Technology Mumbai India, and Professor Bhuvnesh Gupta, Department of Textile, Fiber Engineering IIT Delhi, New Delhi India. He was also former director of SMU Gangtok, Sikkim, India. Dr. Chandrasekhar S. Chandrasekhar, Director CSIR IICT Hyderabad, India. Dr. Kumkum Rotela, Director, Directorate of Higher Education, Uttarakhand. Our organizing director, Professor Kamal K. Pandey, Principal SBG Government PG College, Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. Now our conveners of this international event, one of the most active and key person of this conference is Dr. Ashish Kumar. Now he is an Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, HNV PG College, Khatima, US Nagar, Uttarakhand. He did his research from IICT Hyderabad, one of the most eminent laboratory of Government of India. Really, he is a very active and key person of whole the event of this conference. Even the idea of the topic is came from Dr. Ashish. Next, Dr. Mamta Bilwal, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, RH Government PG College, Kasipur, Uttarakhand. Mr. Tarun Kumar, Executive Director, MIT Kumaयूं Haldwani, Uttarakhand. Co-conveners are Director Avdesh Kumar Johri, Department of Chemistry, Agra College, Agra. Dr. Ashutosh Kumar, Head Department of Commerce, HNB Government PG College, Khatima, Uttarakhand. Dr. Ashutosh Kumar Bhatt, BIS Bitmal, Nainital, Uttarakhand. Organizing secretaries: Miss Manisha Koranga, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE MIT Meerut, UP India. Dr. O.P. Notial, Scientist, USARC Dehradun, Uttarakhand. And myself, Shiv Kumar Upadhyay, Assistant Professor, Department Chemistry, Vasne College, Aligarh, UP India. These are the eminent speakers of this MICTAS 2020. These are all the eminent speakers hail from the parts of the world, from Botswana, USA, India, and USA, Germany, India, and again some of the Delhi University and CSIR IICT Hyderabad, and Department of Chemistry, Kalindi College, University of Delhi, India. So in detail, our eminent speakers, Dr. V. Vishwanathan, Professor and HOD Applied Sciences, FES, both University, Botswana. Dr. Abhishek Mishra, Methodologist, Hospital, Houston, Texas, area, USA. Dr. C.V. Pramod, Scientist, CSIR, Indian Institute of Petroleum, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, India. Dr. Alok Kumar from USA and Dr. Kavita from Germany and Dr. Abhishek Mathur from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Dr. Manohar Lal, Assistant Professor, and Zakir Hussain College, University of Delhi, India, and Dr. B. Sridhar, Senior Principal Scientist, CSIR, IICT Hyderabad, and Dr. Nishant Burma, Kalindi College, University of Delhi, India. And these are our international and national advisory committee members. These are hails from whole part of the world. Conference coordinators and organizing committee members and some technical committee members. And for this international events, registrations are free. So please, all of you register for this conference. Now, as a organizing secretary of this conference, I will also discuss some outcomes and learnings after this conference. At the end of this event, we assume that people associated with science and technology will come forward and will interact for the sustainable growth and development. I am also hopeful that there will be an acceleration in the innovation of technologies and new discoveries which will be milestone in the field of research and development. So please, my humble request, all of you subscribe this link to get recent information regarding this international event till July 5th to 6th 2020. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. This is all about this international conference. Thank you so much.